We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with the most comprehensive and honest overview of the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones, Bluetooth 5.4, headband headphones, wireless earbuds, earphones with HD stereo speakers. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description below, and using it helps support the channel. The MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones stand out as a versatile solution for those seeking comfort and functionality in their audio experience, whether for sleep, workouts, travel, or relaxation. Designed as a Bluetooth-enabled headband, this product combines the convenience of wireless audio with the practicality of a soft, wearable fabric, making it an attractive option for a wide range of users. The headband is constructed from a breathable spandex nylon blend, offering a lightweight and stretchable fit that caters to adults, teens, and kids alike. Its primary function is to deliver music, white noise, or audiobooks directly to your ears without the discomfort commonly associated with traditional earbuds or headphones, especially when lying down or engaging in physical activities. One of the most praised features of the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones is its comfort. Users consistently highlight the soft material and the unobtrusive design, which allows for side sleeping without any pressure on the ears. The speakers are thin and can be adjusted within the headband to align perfectly with your ears, ensuring optimal sound delivery. Many reviewers mention that the headband remains comfortable throughout the night, and its lightweight nature means it does not cause overheating or irritation. Now, after extended use. This is particularly beneficial for those who struggle with traditional headphones or earbuds that can fall out or become painful during sleep. The Bluetooth 5.4 technology integrated into the headband is another significant advantage. Pairing the device with smartphones, tablets, or laptops is generally described as quick and hassle-free. The wireless range is sufficient for most bedroom or gym scenarios, and the connection remains stable during movement. The headband features button controls located on the forehead area, which are easy to locate in the dark and simple to operate, allowing users to adjust volume, skip tracks, or answer calls without needing to reach for their device. This hands-free convenience is appreciated by those who use the headband during workouts, yoga, or while traveling. Sound quality is a recurring topic in user feedback. The MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones utilize 40mm composite drivers to deliver stereo sound. While audiophiles may not find the audio quality to rival high-end headphones, the consensus is that the sound is clear, sufficiently loud, and well-suited for its intended purposes. Whether playing white noise to mask snoring, listening to relaxing music, or catching up on podcasts, the audio performance meets the expectations for a product in this price range. The volume can be set low enough to avoid disturbing a partner, yet is still effective for the listener, making it ideal for shared sleeping spaces. Battery life is another strong point for the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones. The built-in 200 mAh battery, charged via a Type-C port, provides up to 14 hours of continuous playback after a quick 2-hour charge. This duration is more than sufficient for overnight use or long workout sessions. Users frequently report that the battery lasts through the night without issue, and the charging process is straightforward. However, it is important to note that overcharging, especially with fast chargers, can negatively impact battery performance, as highlighted by some users who experience connectivity issues after leaving the device plugged in for prolonged periods. Proper charging habits are recommended to maintain the longevity of the battery. Maintenance and cleaning are made easy by the design, which allows the Bluetooth module to be removed so the headband can be washed. This is particularly useful for users who wear the headband during sweaty workouts or throughout the night. The waterproof casing of the speakers and the sweat-resistant fabric contribute to the product's durability in active environments. However, the headband itself is not fully water-resistant, so care should be taken not to expose it to excessive moisture during cleaning. Despite its many strengths, the MUSICOZY Sleep Headphones are not without drawbacks. One of the most common complaints is the fit of the headband. While marketed as one-size-fits-all, several users find it to be too loose, causing it to slip during the night or intense activity. Some have addressed this by sewing the band for a tighter fit, but this extra step may not appeal to everyone. The lack of multiple size options limits the product's universal appeal and can detract from the otherwise excellent comfort. Durability is another area of concern. Multiple reviews mention that the headband is not built to last, with issues such as one speaker failing or the audio cutting out after several months of use. Some users report having to purchase replacements after a year or less, indicating that the internal wiring or components may not withstand long-term daily use. Although the price point is relatively low, repeated purchases can add up, and the lack of responsive customer service or a reliable warranty process is a source of frustration for some. The advertised 12-month replacement service is not always honored, and finding support can be challenging, especially for those who rely on the product for nightly use. Another area for improvement is the notification system. Some users are disturbed by loud voice prompts such as battery low, which can be jarring if the battery runs out during sleep. Others mention that the connection notification can repeat unnecessarily, disrupting rest. While these issues are not universal, they highlight the need for more customizable or subtle alerts, particularly for a device intended for sleep. From a value perspective, the MUSICOZY sleep headphones are generally regarded as a good investment for their price, often available between $15 and $20 depending on discounts. The affordability makes it easier to overlook some of the durability concerns, especially for those who prioritize comfort and convenience over long-term robustness. The product is recommended for individuals seeking an alternative to uncomfortable earbuds or bulky headphones, particularly for side sleepers, travelers, or anyone needing a discreet way to listen to audio in bed or on the go. The headband's ability to double as a sleep mask is another appreciated feature, though it is not form-fitting enough to block out all light for everyone. Still, the option to cover the eyes while listening to soothing sounds adds to the relaxation experience. The product is also a popular gift choice for men, women, and teens, suitable for occasions such as birthdays, holidays, or Mother's Day. Its versatility makes it a thoughtful present for travelers, insomniacs, meditators, office workers, and fitness enthusiasts. In summary, the MUSICOZY sleep headphones offer a compelling blend of comfort, convenience, and functionality at an accessible price point. The soft adjustable headband, wireless Bluetooth connectivity, and long battery life make it a standout option for sleep and exercise. While there are valid concerns about fit, durability, and customer support, the overwhelmingly positive feedback on comfort and ease of use suggests that the product delivers on its core promise for most users. If you are looking for a practical solution to nighttime noise, a comfortable way to enjoy music during workouts, or a gift for someone who values relaxation and convenience, the MUSICOZY sleep headphones are worth considering. Remember to check the link in the description to support the channel and see the latest pricing and availability. If you have personal experience with this product, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.